Sir, na-claim ko naman yung GSIS retirement ko. How about sa ELP ko? Hindi ko naman ito na-claim. Makukuha ko pa ba ito? Good question po from our viewer sa Q&A with Prof. AMN. Sige po, ma'am, I will answer your question in a direct, concise, and with example. So may research tayo sa website ni GSIS. Ano ba itong ELP? Kailan ba ito makuha? And magkano po ang makukuha ng GSIS member? Alright? Please watch the full video. Let's get started. Unang-una ma'am, congratulations po. Retired na po tayo. And nakuha nyo na po yung retirement benefits niyo sa GSIS. Yun nga lang po, may tanong kayo concerning ELP. So ang tanong niyo po is pwede ba maklaim ang ELP? Answer, ELP earns cash value in the form of termination value, which a member may withdraw upon separation or retirement, and shall be the basis of the yearly cash dividends and policy loan. An automatic premium loan facility secured against the policy's termination value is provided to answer for non-payment of premiums. So very clear po ma'am, no? Na pwede ma-withdraw upon separation or retirement, yung ELP po natin. So ang gawin niyo po ma'am, para sigurado po tayo, punta kayo sa GSIS office. Itanong niyo po itong ELP. Kasi meron nakalagay sa website nila, pwede ma-withdraw upon separation or retirement. In your case, retired na po kayo, right? So yan po ma'am, tanongin niyo po. And nandito din sa website ng GSIS, ang termination value po. Okay, basahin natin. Termination value earned under the policy is equivalent to 25% for every monthly life insurance premiums that have been paid in full, either by direct remittance or through an automatic premium loan. The accumulated termination value will increase at such rates as may be computed by actuary. So yan po ma'am, walang nakalagay na figure, percentage lang po, 25% for every monthly life insurance premiums that have been fully paid. So puntahan nyo agad ang GCS ma'am para itanong nyo po ito kung kailan makuha ninyo. Ano ang mga requirements and of course yung exact amount po. So, good luck po ma'am. Enjoy your retirement. Thank you for watching and keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.